Another no heat, supposedly. See what it does. The blower kicked on. There's no code yet. I heard a little spark. I don't think the pressure switch is closing. Alright, let me jump the pressure switch. So let me get my handy dandy jumper. So sometimes to jump these you have to wait till the inducer comes on, or else it's gonna be like, oh, you're just jumping the fucking pressure switch. And you're just like, oh, no I'm not, you know? Hold on, wrong one. Oh, actually let me check the port. See if it's clogged. It looks cleared. Next, I use the manometer to check negative pressure. Sometimes the inducer isn't pulling enough negative pressure, so just zero this thing out, put this bad boy in. So we'll jump in right now. Okay, let's start. On. Gas is on. Negative pressure is 1.27, which is more than enough. You need 0.33. So after jumping it and waiting a little bit, came right on. Negative pressure is still there. Just a bad pressure switch. Sometimes you can just tap on it and then the relays will internally will close. But that's it. All it is a bad pressure switch. I don't know if I can do it aftermarket with this one. I think I can though. That's that. Just gotta replace it now. Boom. For those that don't know that what I did, it's sequence of operations. So first thing that came on was a inducer motor, which it's running good. You know, you hear it running, it's blowing good. And then negative pressure was within spec. So it says negative 0.33. It was way over that. It was like negative 1.12 or something like that, which is more than enough to make it close. So the reason, and it's not closing. The reason I know it's not closing is because the sparker's not coming on. So after it reads negative pressure, this thing will close, and then it'll send signal to the board telling it to spark. And then I heard it spark a little bit, but you know that's not enough to make the gas come out or make the fire make the flame come on. So I already know because I didn't hear the spark, so I was like, okay, maybe just the pressure switch. So let's jump it. It's either that or sometimes this board, these little Molex with these are all the basically safety switches, like the high limit switch, the rollout switch or whatever. So sometimes it's the board, you know, you gotta move it around a little bit, and then because it's a loose connection, so you move it around And then if you hear it come on like at all, or start making some sparking noises, then that's probably what it is, the board. But because I was doing it and nothing happened, I was moving wires around. That's what just led me to jumping this and finding out it is a pressure switch. So easy diagnostic, light work. Time to switch up. Time to replace it. So it's around there. I'm gonna just leave it at that. I'm not adjusting this. It's like 0.37. That's fine. You know, it's not. It's whatever. So I'm gonna just leave it at that. Now I'm just connect it or mount it too. Man, that was a pain in the butt. All right, so we'll just go ahead and unmount that. I'm gonna drill it. Go ahead and mount this. Is this ideal? Probably not. But let me go ahead and connect it to the back side. So this, well, I'm gonna do a Y. So kind of the same thing here. So except this is gonna go that over there. I've been working hard. You gotta stay awake. Oh, okay. So let's say, for example, this goes here. Before it goes there, I'll have that go there and here. That way I can actually test it when it closes. I'm pretty sure it will. And then you just go take off the jumper. Check right here. I think it's, which one is this one? I think it's normally open, this one, yeah. Normally open. Common. And then now we just turn the unit on again. Let's test it. Boom, it works. Let's go. Yay. Yay. Whoa, yay. I figured it out. Yay. Alright, that's it. That's basically how you set it. I know there's a better way. I saw it on YouTube. I forgot how to do it. So, like, and the last time I installed one of these was like last year. So, yeah, I've installed just like OEM ones. So, blower came on. Now we just check temperature rise, and yeah, that's it. That's it for this call. We out, dog.